Now you've seen great new products that have been added to our portfolio. So let's make a little break for a moment on products. And I want to come back to the statement that we have made that we deeply care about protecting value and the assets that support our everyday lives. So I want to give you a short update on other activities that we have on that front. I used in my introduction the metaphor, the analogy of melting icebergs when we compare it to the decaying assets out there. Now the reality is that the real icebergs are also melting due to global warming and due to humanity not thinking forward. Now, rather than just talking the talk, we also walk the walk on this one. And our teams have been working very hard. And I'm proud to announce that all our facilities in Switzerland run 100% on renewable energy from today forward. And we're working with governments, landlords all around the world, because this is a standard that we want to achieve for all our subsidiaries worldwide, because it matters. We are the last generation that can stop climate change. And I believe we can even take it a step further and revert climate change by leveraging data, by leveraging technology. And if each and every one of us makes a step into that direction to become more sustainable, to care about the future, because it matters for our children and our children's children. So let's go back to products, and next up we move into concrete. And I would like to introduce Maria to you, who is from a small, tiny island in the Mediterranean. Maria, over to you.